In this program, we are going to understand how to calculate the area and perimeter of a parallelogram. So we know that the formula for calculating the area of the parallelogram is length into height, and for calculating the perimeter is twice length plus width, so that makes twice length plus twice width. So here we need three values from the user. First is the length, so we are displaying a message using the input function like enter the length of the parallelogram. We are converting that text message into a value, so let's say a float value here, and storing the result in this variable. Likewise for the width and height. After that, we are simply applying the formula like area is length into width. Whatever the calculation result will be for this particular formula, that will be stored in this variable. And after that, we are applying the formula for calculating the perimeter and storing the result in this variable. After that, we are just simply printing the results using this print statement. We are displaying a message that the area of the parallelogram is the name of the variable which is holding the value. Likewise, the message the perimeter of the parallelogram is along with the value which is storing the result. And when we execute the program, we need to remember that we are dealing with the parallelogram, so the opposite sides needs to be equal. So it is asking for the length of the rectangle, let's say 10. Then it is asking for the width of the rectangle, again let's say 10, and it is asking for the height, which is the perpendicular distance between the two sides, so let's say 5. And it says that the area of the parallelogram is 50 and the perimeter of the parallelogram is 40. Likewise, you can try this with different values.